The Channel Master professional-grade all-metal coaxial cable clips are engineered to provide secure, long-lasting support for indoor and outdoor coaxial cable installations. Constructed entirely from cast metal, these clips deliver exceptional strength, structural stability, and reliable performance across a broad range of environmental conditions. Each clip features Channel Master's patented cable clamping design, helping maintain straight, clean cable runs along walls, trim, fascia, and other mounting surfaces. When spaced approximately every 3 feet or closer if desired, the clips ensure tight, evenly supported routing for a clean, professional appearance. The precision-formed metal construction firmly grips RG6 coaxial cable, including standard, dual, tri, and quad shield constructions. In addition to full compatibility with all RG6 cable types, the clips can also secure other round outdoor cables or tubing with an outside diameter between 6.5 and 7.5 millimeters. Each clip includes a professional-grade Phillips head wood screw suitable for interior or exterior use. The screw features a premium corrosion-resistant coating engineered to withstand moisture, salt air, sunlight, and other harsh environmental elements. For installations on metal, masonry, concrete, or stucco surfaces, alternative fasteners, such as self-tapping screws or screws used with masonry anchors, may be used, provided they fit through the clip's mounting hole. For more informative videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel and visit us online at channelmaster.com.